Yo, what's good, guys? This is my first video on Fortnite ever. I got another account that I have on my phone. It's called Shaft Plays. Go subscribe. And also subscribe to this channel. And today I'm playing with my little brother. As you can see, he's a default skin. Yeah. So yeah. Oh wait, hold on. We're playing. We both got each other. Alright, so we're playing some 50. Yeah. Right. I want like how it was before when I could see the audio. You can't. Nobody cares. Why is this like that? Alright. There. My audio might be a little bad, cause it's like really loud. Alright, no, I'm not landing at no craters, bruh. I'm landing at Salty. Noah, shut up. No, we're both Alright. Oh my gosh. I think about landing at this house. Where are you? Let me get the chest. Stop. I got the chest. No, you didn't. You didn't get the chest, bro. I got the chest. Well, I got the plate. So why is it so laggy? Shield. No, tell her no. I'm playing with him. Yo, what are you doing, bruh? I'm about to kill myself. Aha. Alright. Yo, go out the door because I killed myself on purpose. As you can see. Bruh. Yo, alright. Nah, she don't care about you, bruh. Yo, by the time I'm revived, you're probably gonna be dead. Never mind. Alright. She got you. I'm gonna get some shield. No! Really? Then I'm about to make these big. Where are you? What? So, please stay still. I have a gun for you. Give me that gun. I have two guns for you. I have two guns. Come get the jewels. Go get the jewels down there. Where? Downstairs. Alright, hold up. I got ammo for you. Alright. Alright, hold up. I got some ammo for you. Hold up. Noah, take it. Here, wait. Alright. Here's that. And this. No, that's not yours. That's not yours. Alright. Hold up. I got more stuff for you. Here, no, take them bullets. Take those bullets. Any. Yo, are these your duels? Why do you only have 18 bullets? There you go. I swear, don't be shooting any gun because I will not give you any more ammo. Oh hell yeah! Yo, let me get on though. Oh shoot, bro! You think you was slick? Even though I missed every single bullet, it's still good. Y'all made a mistake, bro. Y'all made a mistake, bro. Bro, it's too laggy. All the Fortnite servers be laggy AF. Sure about that? Are you sure about that? Not you. Bruh, I'll take that. Actually, I kind of. Ooh, there's a sniper right there. I'm about to take that. Hold up. Are you serious? I need something scoped. Hold up. No way! No way! No just play. No just play. Better be careful. I gotta kill everyone. Hey, hey, hey! Let me go. Can I kill you? Yo, everybody goes for the loot. Hey. Yo, what the fuck? Easy. I swear, who is sniping? I can't talk right now. Really? 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 I missed that? I missed that? Boy, I'm about to get some shotties on him. Let me get this AR. Look at the pokey. Hey, yo. Really? Obviously, this dude don't know who he's messing with, bruh. Like, I know where he is, though. I'm taking I'm going to chug over her. I've got 20 shields and 30 health. Go on, chug, 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 chug. Alright. Bruh. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let go, guys. I wanna die in the air. Wait. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you like that 50v50 round that took like forever. So yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye.